Zdravo, kako ste? Hi, how are you? Danas ću napravim sirnicu or sirnica. Today I will make cheese pie or sirnica in Bosnian language. And this pie consists of cheese, of course, egg, oil, and brašna and salt. Sastuje se od sira, jaja, soli i brašna i olja. And this cheese pie is one of my favorite food in Bosnia, and I will show you how I will make it. And this is brašna flour, 2 cups of that, small salt, then water, it's normal water. Put small oil. And cover for at least 30 minutes or to 1 hour. While we're waiting for our dough, 30 minutes to 1 hour, we will prepare now the cheese. As usual, we will use the domestic cheese, the homemade cheese. This is homemade cheese. And salt. Then mix this. Dodajte još soli, malo. And that's it. We'll wait for the dough. This is the dough after more than 30 minutes, and we will make now pita. It's almost 1 hour now and our dough is ready. And before that, we must preheat the oven for 200 degrees. Dodajte oil. That's it. Wait for 15 minutes. kuhano je, it's cook our pita, sirnica, cheese pita. To, that's all, and thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to our channel. Hvala naglindanyo, ako vam se sviđa moj video, pretplatite se na naš kanal. Hvala, ciao ciao, bye bye.